And I hope you can prepare your microphone. Everyone prepare your microphone now, you can speak or no?
Yes, Lord.
Of course.
Yes, Lord.
That's good.
Yes.
And now I show my screen. Good. Okay. Show my screen. Okay. Could you see my slide?
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
Okay, the first part, I will finish the user requirement. And last class, we stopped here. We will talk about when you design a software. In the requirement documentation, you need to identify that user case. So you should understand that this user cases actually is for system or for user, for customer. Who can answer me? Who to read this part?
The customer.
Customer, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
for the customer.
everyone knows that the user cases, we normally use some diagram to draw the user cases. So that means the user case, then for UC, is very clear and very understanding for the normal customers. So normally we draw the user cases. We may use some tools like UML tools here. Look at here, UML tools, which identify what things actually identify actor. Actor actually is roles. Like when your project is actually to develop a course select system. So in this course select system, I already give you 3 actors. The first one is a student, that's you, right? Yourself. And the other is like teacher, like me, okay? Teachers. And the last one, what's the last one? Yes, Shuhe, student lecture. That's right. Yes, Shuhe. Administrator is the last one. So very simple project, only 3 actors. But you should understand, you should remember that in the future, if you involved in a real project, the actor may be multiple actors, not only 2 or 3, maybe dozens, okay? Like maybe 10, maybe 20 actors. So the user cases may be very complex. So in the first step, when you write this requirement document, the first thing is you need to identify the user cases and the interactions. This one. So this means what students can do in the system and what the lecturer can do. That means, okay, this is first. And the second, a set of user cases. This one, you see, should describe all possible interaction with the system. Normally with the system in the UC, we interact with function F1, F2, F3, like this. And beyond the user cases, we can draw some sequence diagram to more detail, okay? To more detailedly describe the user cases. So when you draw the sequence diagram, how do you think? Sequence diagram is for user to read, for customer read, or for system development team to read? Do you think? How do you
I
think?
think
For the developers.
That's
Yes,
right.
For the developers.
Yeah, sequence diagram. I will show you later. Okay, I will show you later. Let's continue. This is a simple examples about the user cases. This also a very easy one, a trivial one. This is the example from the laboratory system. So in the laboratory system, there are three very easy to identify actors. First one is like you, laboratory user. They can search article. They can print, you will see later. Print is a function. Like this is function 1, function 2, function 3, function 3. Okay, everyone check this one. User administration. This is function 3, F3. So you can see both laboratory user and laboratory staff can show the F3 function. That is user administrator. Database like the article database. So they can provide article for the laboratory system. This is a simple structure of UC. And let's correspond to our project. Our project actually is a student selection system. So let's have to try to practice a user case about our project. Okay, so you know we have 3 actors, right? Okay, my drawing is ugly. It doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
Actor. Okay, this actor may be that you student, So when you draw this student, first you can do, when you use a course selection system, what's the first step you need to do? What function you need to invoke? F1. What?
Select course.
No.
Login.
FJ.
Yes, login. Login
The
also
login and the
function,
logout
right?
system,
Login.
including the authentication.
Yes, that's right.